happening, YouTube world? This is the second part of my woodspirit carving. I'm going to do some more detail to this guy, and I'm going to get right into it. So thanks for watching and enjoy. I'm coming out pretty good. Alright, so I got the original ball nose kutzall, the 1/8 inch shaft. Alrighty, so let's get some good detail on this guy. Alright, put in this carving burr in. I'm going to use this to try and do the beard. Alright, so I put in a smaller bit here to do the beard, some more better detail. See that one? Alrighty. So I got the beard pretty good. But before I do any more, I want to try and fill up these holes on this wood. See all these little holes here? These little holes. So I'm going to try and use the Star Bond CA glue. Got the medium right here. And then I'm going to use some of this sawdust to pack it in there, and hopefully that can blend out and cover up those holes. So let's see how that works. Alrighty. Let's see. Drop some of that in there. Pack it in there real good. Let's try some accelerator. Okay, so I filled in the holes. I did some sanding, so I'm just going to do some more detail work. Okay, I put in a diamond burr. So let's get this guy completed. Okie dokie, guys. I'm gonna put on some stain, some special walnut from Minwax, and I'm gonna become alive. Whoa. Whoa. What do you guys think? Here we go. Initial your work. Got first number 1 on the bottom, my first wood spirit. So let's stain him and let's get it completed. Go ahead and sand some of this up. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to spray some crystal clear lacquer, protect this guy, and I'll show you guys the finished wood spirit, my first one. Alrighty, so here he is. My first power carved wood spirit. He came out good. What do you think? I had a lot of fun making this. In the comments below, let me know if you would like to see more power carved wood spirits. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.